Hey, what's up everyone? Tony here, and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I've been here. I took a few weeks off, or more than a few weeks, like a month and some days off. I had to take those days off just to clear my head, to be motivated again. I was literally losing myself. I was losing myself with creativity. I wasn't really in the mood to film. There was a lot going on in my life, and yeah, but now I'm back. I'm gonna make a separate video about that, of what's been going on since I've been gone. But for right now, we're gonna come into fashion videos. We are in the new year. 2020 is finally here, and it's gonna be such a good year. 2020 though has started very crazy, with wildfires, with earthquakes, so many people passing away. It's ridiculous how this year is starting. The only thing we can do is to change it and make it better, and it starts with us. It starts with humanity. Let's make this year such a good year. This has been a rocky month. January has been crazy. It has not. This month has probably been the longest month ever. Now that I'm back, motivated again, posting some more on Instagram, because I took a break from Instagram as well. So I started posting some new pictures, which are doing really well. So if you guys want to go check my Instagram out, I will have everything linked down below. So you guys can follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, and also subscribe to my vlog channel. I do vlog my daily life, so check it out. Check what me and my family and my friends are doing. Anyways guys, so we started off the year with this new intro. I hope you guys liked that little quick intro. I made it myself, so I'm proud of it. It's not the best intro ever made, but hey, I tried my best and it came out good. I thought it looked good, so why not add it on here for the year, or who knows, maybe throughout the year I'll probably change it or have someone who is a professional in intros make me an intro. 2020 is finally here, guys, and who does not want to start the year with looking your best? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some quick tips, letting you guys know how I've taught myself on how to look good for the new year. So if you guys want to get some quick tips or ideas of how to start the year with looking your best, then continue watching. So not only you want to wear things that make you feel comfortable. I'm at the age right now where I like comfort. I like something that makes me feel comfortable, that I can actually breathe. So I can't wear nothing too tight or too slim fit or too tailored. One of the most important things for your wardrobe is that you feel comfortable within yourself wearing these pieces. Now, in the beginning, when I first started trying to be a fashion influencer, it was very difficult for me to find something that made me feel comfortable. Yet again, I still haven't found my style. I didn't know what my style was. I haven't found myself to experiment with different things, different colors, different fits. The more and more I started shopping for myself, finding stuff that were more comfortable to my body type, the more I felt more confident. So confidence is something that a lot of people don't have or can't find within themselves. It took me a very long time to find my confidence within. So I'm going to teach you here how to feel confident with starting to be comfortable. Comfortable within yourself, comfortable within your body. Find out who you are. Find out your personal style. Other than what I'm showing you guys, I do recommend neutral colors. So if you are in a state where it's super cold, then I do recommend you guys wearing neutrals, like neutral coats or jackets, pants or dressy pants. For neutral colors, I do recommend a lot of blacks, grays, browns, or navy blues. I like how it looks on a lot of guys, and it goes well with any type of body type, any type of skin tone. So definitely check out those colors, try them out. They might be your color. Alright, layering. Layering has always been appropriate. So starting off with layering, I like to wear the thin layers on the inside and the thicker layers on the outside. A basic t-shirt is definitely one that you want to do. For example, a basic t-shirt similar to what I'm wearing right now, you can do any color possible. So I do recommend you guys buying tons of t-shirts because you do need them. A lot of the t-shirts that I do recommend for myself are either ASOS or Goodfellow by Target. Goodfellow reaches up to 2XL, and then ASOS reaches up to 4XL. So for example, putting in a basic t-shirt underneath, then a plaid shirt on top of that, and then one of your stylish jackets. So that brings me to jackets. So choosing the right jacket it will be the first thing people will notice. Jackets are not supposed to be expensive. They can look expensive, but have a good price to it. I don't want to say I like to be cheap with buying stuff for myself, but I do buy on a budget. I don't want to overspend when it comes to clothing. One thing that I have been doing so much lately is thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is amazing. I've gone to several thrift stores here. Goodwill is a very good one. So right here I'm wearing the white shirt. I do like to add a necklace to it, and right here this necklace that I'm wearing is the 2-feathered necklace by ASOS. I'll try to link every piece of clothing that I'm wearing right now down below so you guys can go check it out if it's still available. Then I do have the red plaid. So this look is a pretty lumberjack type of style. Neutral colors like browns are in. This corduroy jacket here from Express. They were nice enough to send me this jacket last month. And I am obsessed with it. It works well with a lot of stuff. It works well with so many colors. What I mean by neutral colors, it does go well with so much. I'm matching them with these brown chinos from Target as well. So the shirt is by ASOS, the plaid shirt's from Target, and the corduroy jacket is from Express, and the pants are from Target. So the next outfit, I do have this basic black t-shirt by Goodfellow at Target. I did pair it with this denim top here, and it's also by Target. And this is almost like a Western type of look. And then Express did send me this plaid teddy bear jacket, so it's very fluffy. It's a Sherpa type jacket. So I paired it with the denim and the black t-shirt just to see how it'll look. And then of course, just pair it with some black jeans. Most of these pieces are affordable, and Express right now does have the most amazing jackets for a very, very low price. And they're always having sales as well, guys. I'm gonna link their website down below so you guys can check it out. Not only it's cute, but it's very comfortable. There's definitely an outfit that'll keep you warm, but you know, if you're out and about, you go to a restaurant, they usually have the heaters on, and if it's too hot, just take off your jacket and rock the denim with the black shirt. Next outfit that I have is almost like a military inspired outfit. It has the military colors. And then this jacket is from Target, but this jacket is not available anymore. It's one of my favorite jackets that I own. It's very long fitted. I did wear this when I was in Seattle last year. This jacket got a lot of compliments. It's more like a raincoat, I would say. It's super thin, but it's just more of a style jacket. This jacket is by Original Use at Target. Original Use is definitely growing from when it recently came out to now. This camouflage jacket was a risk taker because I never thought I would fall for something like this or feel comfortable in camo, but it doesn't look bad. It looks really good, especially when you mix and match it or layer it the way that I have it. Kind of add different type of color tones so it won't just scream camouflage, you know. So color blocking is definitely something that you want to do, especially if you're going to be layering. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video, and if you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we keep growing every single day. Don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you pretty soon. Bye guys.